Today, I'm going to talk about one of the most complex and mysterious organs in our body, the brain. The brain is responsible for everything we think, feel, and do. It controls our movements, memories, emotions, and senses. It also enables us to learn, create, and communicate. But how much do we really know about the brain? How does it work? In this video, I will try to answer these questions and more. 1. The structure and function of the brain. The structure and function of the brain are very important topics to understand. The brain is the organ that controls our thoughts, emotions, actions, and sensations. It is made up of three main parts: the cerebrum, the cerebellum, and the brainstem. Each part has a different role and function in our body. The cerebrum is the largest and most visible part of the brain. It is divided into two hemispheres, the left and the right, which are connected by a bundle of fibers called the corpus callosum. The cerebrum is responsible for higher cognitive functions, such as reasoning, problem-solving, language, memory, and creativity. It also processes sensory information from our eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. The cerebrum has four lobes: the frontal lobe, the parietal lobe, the temporal lobe, and the occipital lobe. Each lobe has a specific function and location in the brain. 1. Parietal lobe. The middle part of the brain, the parietal lobe, helps a person identify objects. 2. Temporal lobe. Temporal lobes are involved in short-term memory, speech, musical rhythm, and some degree of smell recognition. 3. Frontal lobe. The frontal lobe is the part of the brain that controls high-level cognitive skills and primary motor functions. 4. Occipital lobe. The occipital lobe is the back part of the brain that is involved with vision. The cerebellum is located under the cerebrum and behind the brainstem. It is smaller than the cerebrum but contains more neurons than the rest of the brain combined. The cerebellum is mainly involved in coordinating movement, balance, posture, and motor learning. It also helps with some cognitive functions, such as attention and emotion. The brainstem is located at the base of the brain and connects it to the spinal cord. It consists of three parts: the midbrain, the pons, and the medulla oblongata. The brainstem regulates vital functions that are necessary for survival, such as breathing, heart rate, blood pressure, digestion, sleep, and arousal. It also relays information between the brain and the rest of the body. The brain is a complex and amazing organ that enables us to experience life in many ways. It is constantly changing and adapting to our environment and experiences. So that's it for today's video on the brain. I hope you learned something new and interesting about this amazing organ. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching and see you next time.